Let's start unboxing this one. Actually, naabutan ko, I got this again from Fermata. Naabutan ko si Sir Makmak doon. Paalis na yata siya nang dumating ako. And actually, thank you Sir Makmak for the previous. Shout out to you and Fermata. Salamat sa pag-asikaso. Very accommodating ang mga grupo mo, sir. Thank you very much again. And without further ado, let's start. Okay, this one is an OME model of CLIFTON, a local made guitar. Okay, this is ito yung sinasabi nila na no frills, just tone. Okay, wala siyang abubot. Sa madaling salita, walang abubot yung gitara niya. No frills, meaning wala daw yung mga sinasabi nilang mga design or decoration ng gitara, yung mga edges niya, walang kahit na ano. Ang pinagmamalaki nila is the tone of the guitar. Since this guitar has a solid top compared to sa mga laminated, lahat naman tayo alam natin that when the guitar has a solid top, medyo maganda ang tono yan. Okay? So, medyo nahihirapan lang ako dahil okay, now let's see. There you are. Okay. Actually, now these are the one that is included on the guitar when you bought it from CLIFTON or any other store that is offering CLIFTON.
Okay. Nasaan sir ang normal na?
And these are the freebies. Okay. Now, because and the box itself. Okay. Plus, dahil nandun si Sir Makmak, medyo nakadiscount tayo. Okay lang naman. Still, if you want, you can, chat them on their Facebook. And pwede naman kayo magiging discount. Konti lang naman, at least kahit pa paano makakuha na kahit pa paano discount. But since nandun si Sir Makmak, nakakuha tayo ng freebies. Okay. And
Fermata QC tayo, Fermata
since
QC.
kailangan ko doon sa isang gitara ko dahil sira na yung ano niya, tuner niya. Clip-on tuner. Thank you very much again, Sir Mac. Okay, the bag is a oops. Sir, thank you again. Meron tayong papanoorin. Okay, and then the guitar has its pockets. Malambot siya. Made of CLIFTON. Okay. Hindi siya pipicturein, no? Pwede mo siyang gamitin para sa pwede mo siyang backpack. Pwede mo siyang gawin backpack. Especially kung naka-motor ka. Now, let's open it. Let us open this one. Let us see. Nakita ko na rin siya kahapon. Siyempre, one thing good in Fermata is that you will be buying a guitar which is already set up. Okay? So you don't need to go to other store or other repair shop, guitar repair shop, for you to have a guitar tuning. Okay? Kasi kadalasan the guitar is very simple. Okay? What I like to this one is, ito lang ang makakakita ka ng gitara na meron na siyang tuner, amp, and mic at the same time. Okay? For the price. This guitar has a solid top. But as you can see, because of the quick review, as you can see, wala siyang kahit na anuman lang na tawag dito, yung makintab, yung ano siya. Although makinis siya, malinis ang pagkakagawa. Okay? Rosewood, bone. Okay, I'll just put the specification here, okay, so that you can see. But what I like in these guitars, it's the first time that I have a solid top guitar. I don't know if this one has a solid top, but it sounds good naman. Ang problema. Okay. Now, kompleto siya. Sinet up na rin nila. Low action. Ilabas sa gitara, and meron silang warranty with regards to the whole setup of the guitar. Pwede mo ibalik sa kanila. Ang premium nito is that number 1 is the solid top, number 2 the nuts, the saddle is bone. Okay, I don't know, but I think from the reviews sabi nila cow bone. Okay, so sinet-up nila to, medyo mataas ito ng konti nung tinetesting ko, but then yun nga, very simple guitar. Actually para siyang gitarang hindi pa tapos gawin. Okay. Try natin the sound. Really. Nagre-ring pa siya, yung isa nakahinto na. Including the equalizer, the tuner, and the mic. Okay, and there's a mic inside. This is the mic. Okay, bendable yung mic niya. So, magagamit mo siya kapag magkakaroon ka ng percussive. Okay? Pero, CLIFTON OME.
much for watching.